really not that high.
No.
Yeah, why is that man standing up there?
Ruins?
Because you're allowed to.
A lot of these things are protected and you're not supposed to climb up on them.
I'm climbing up on them. I'm climbing up on them. Nothing says it. Nothing says it.
Just go up a little way just so I can take a photo, then don't climb right up on the top like that man did. Please. So Lily's climbed up and now she's asking how to get down. I have no idea how hot it is today. It feels like about 35 degrees. There's no shade. It's too busy. I don't want to be negative. But it's not, I don't think this is quite how any of us pictured it. Hello! Everyone's a little bit hot and bothered. And the kids area I think is probably the best thing so far, but there's loads we just don't have time to do.
Don't jump down. Don't.
You go very careful, Jack.
Right,
Take
go
Daddy's
down
hand,
backwards.
take Daddy's hand.
I can't. 'Cause it keeps going.
However you say that. A blumere. And pass it to Daddy, Jack.
We're not
There's a
going
breeze
in the
down
main
here.
village.
We're exploring. Oh, there's like little caves in there. This is cooler down here. Jaguars. Oh, be careful. I think it's drippy wet under here. Is it dripping? Oh, oh. You're getting dripped on. Because there's caves. Exploring. Which half of the bats, Lily?
You can see how low you are.
That's the river bit. Look how quiet it is now. We timed that completely wrong, didn't we? Wait a minute.
Why do you want to go first?
Should have done it at the end of the day. Never mind.
Yeah, but we had to do it at that time, didn't we?
No. What's in there? Just leaves.
Big leaves. Well, I need to sit down somewhere.
Well, I think we'll be coming along to something soon, I think.
We're only going to sit down the whole day.
You floated in a river for about an hour this morning. Go and follow the yellow path. I'm these colourblind. The white path. There we go, we're still coming up to everything. Cemetery bit in there. We are starting to run out of time now though, so we're trying to get to the aviary. Chapel. Oh look. It's like cocoa. See look, they got drinks, they got offerings. Don't be silly. Don't touch, Jack, anything. Jack, don't touch anything, please. We found the aviary at last.
Oh no.
Oh no, is it full of winkle
They like
birdies?
dirty, they like dirty, don't they?
Jack, come in so I can close the door. Of course you do. Parrots everywhere, isn't there?
Can you turn Daddy off? Oh.
This one.
Come on, look about it, guys. That's pretty cute.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
My legs couldn't go in the tail.
This looks kind of awesome. So where the big birdies are. Oh wow, look at that. Look above, look up.
That wouldn't go birdie.
I don't know. That one up there is a toucan. I thought they were, well, they're definitely endangered, aren't they, toucans? I thought they were extinct.
We're extinct.
They are endangered.
You're a stink.
You're just a
Yeah,
stink,
right there.
David.
Look
Yeah. Hello. Dude, that's a stuffed one. He's not real.
there.
Watch him poop on Lily's head and then it goes under it.
I'm scared. I don't like people.
Oh. That's 5 people. I've just held the door open.
Thank you.
Not one of them said thank you. Goodness me.
Like that.
Don't get that in Disney World, do you?
No, put it on there.
Everybody says thank you in this year.
But we didn't.
That's for staff.
Is it possible?
No, I think that's probably after this bit.
Yes.
That's all the different birds that are around this bit then. It's a bit bouncy, isn't it? Oh. Wow. Oh, geez. Well, Daddy's a moron, isn't he? Well, this is testing out the smoothness of the GoPro. Goodness. Crikey. Hello. Probably one of the better bits of the park, isn't it? Very pretty here. Very, very pretty. Here's the bridge. The shaky, wobbly bridge. Oh, this goes on for miles. We should have put trainers on for this, not water shoes. Hello, fellas. Goodness.
Hello.
Birdie.
Hola, Paco.
Birdie.
Hola, Paco.
Birdie. Birdie.
Walk around again. Yeah, you end up round there, I think.
Mirror.
Yeah, I can smell popcorn again. I'm taking some of that into the show tonight. Well, I think we're coming towards the end, James. Stained glass window we saw earlier when we swam. It's empty? Yeah. Unless it's closed, it might be shut. But we swam through that. That could actually mean that it's later than we think it is. It's very quiet, isn't it? Come on, kids.
Come on, early day.
Please not move out of suit on.
Put your hand by it and see if it wants to go onto you, Lily. I think they're quite happy eating.
You got the fruit.
Don't make him angry.
There you go, get the fruit up. There you go.
No, not
There.
no, stop. Daddy, Mommy, you're scaring me.
Yeah.
Daddy's like, you will go on my hand.
God,
I will hold a butterfly.
There.
There. Wait, hold on. That was nearly your face then, Jack.
Oh, jeez.
Got me on hold one.
Nah, I'm right, Tom. Nah, I'm right. I had one on my leg. Hold on. Jack, move to the side so the girls go past.
Really be doing this. It's small already.
Guys. A little fidgety.
Okay, we'll come down in a minute.
A little fidgety.
No.